Hoi almal, Pierre hierso. Ek doen gou-gou 'n beroep op ons gemeenskap vir almal wat om en by Hoërskool Oeverval is om gou-gou te kom help of ons daai straat net gou kan skoonmaak wat voor die skool verbyloop, want daar's nogal baie goed agtergelaat in die straat wat gemors is en so aan. Ek gaan met 'n trok kom, ons gaan alles net oplaai en dan sal ons dit wegry. So vir die van julle wat kan, 4:30 kry ons mekaar by die skool en dan sal ons begin om so skoon te maak. Vir die van julle wat kan, ons sal dit vreeslik waardeer. Dankie.
I would say around about 100 people here cleaning up the street. I came with a truck and we load up all the rubbish and all the rubble that was in the street. And yeah, so it's my heart is for the community. I love the community. I love Vereniging. I love the Vol. So yeah, that's my heart. That's what it's about.
Ultimately, what would you like to see happen at the school regarding resolving the situation?
Well, we want the learners to feel safe in the school at first. So we want them to come to school that's on a normal day. We want the protesters to they're protesting for what they believe in, and we share their compassion about it. But yeah, we want the people to feel safe in the community, to see that this is just a normal day, a normal school, going on with their normal stuff. So that's what we want to see happening at this school.